In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Binance account using the mobile app. First, open the Binance app on your phone. On the welcome screen, tap Login. If you don't see it, look for a small Already Have an Account link and tap that. Next, choose how you want to sign in, usually email or phone number. Enter your email or phone in the first box, then type your password in the second box. Double-check for typos, especially if your password has symbols or upper and lowercase letters. When you're ready, tap Login/Next. Binance may first show you a quick security puzzle, like sliding a piece into place. Complete that, then you'll go to the security verification step. Here, you might need to enter one or more codes. For example, a code sent to your email or message. A Google Authenticator or other 2FA code. If you turned it on, type in the codes, tap Submit/Confirm, and you'll be taken to the home screen of your Binance app with access to your wallets and trading. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.